welcome back to the channel. My name is Ashley. In today's video we're going to be tackling the laundry room. Alright, so we moved into this house about 8 months ago, and then 2 weeks later after that move I had a baby. So the laundry room was the last thing on my list to beautify or to make, you know, cute or anything like that, even to organize. It was the last thing on the list. So what you see in the before is actually how it's been for the last 8 months. So today's video I'm going to spruce it up, organize it a little bit, give it some functionality and then some life. And yeah, so this will be my first time actually doing any type of laundry room decor makeover, because every like laundry room that we had, it was just like a closet. So you know, you just open the door and then that's the washer and dryer and that was it. So this is like actually like a little room, and we have a little window and all that kind of stuff. I'm gonna show you guys all the things that I got from the store today. I went to Target, Big Lots, Michael's, and the Goodwill. So a lot of different places, all different price ranges. So this is gonna be very rental friendly. We're not painting in this video. We're putting up wallpaper, and it's the peel and stick kind, so it's very renter friendly. We're renting this house, and so yeah, we're gonna be here for another year or so, but I wanted to go through each room and like just, you know, organized and make it cute, I guess. But anyways, I'm gonna be filming it all and you guys will be here for it, okay? All right, let me show you guys what I got. So this is just a quick overview of all the things that I got. These things came from the Goodwill. I'm gonna be putting something on here with my Cricut machine. If you don't have a Cricut, you can also just use letters from Walmart. Plants, faux plants from Target. Those all came from Target. Right there, this came from Big Lots. I got this wallpaper. This is basically the star of the show. This wallpaper is going to be my accent wall, and I've been looking for this for a while, and I had to go to 2 Targets to find it, but I finally found it. I got these little bins from Target from the dollar spot. This little heart in hand stand. This was like $25, guys. This was a lot of money for me to spend on a stand, but listen, I'm going to be using this for years and years to come. I do spend extra money on things I know I'm going to use for a long time. I got this wall piece from Michael's, and for obvious reasons it has like all different ways to remove stains, and then it's black and white, and I'm going for a black and white color scheme here with a few greenery pieces. I got this also from Michael's. These bins came from Big Lots. And guys, if you want me to put prices on all this stuff, I can, but the Big Lots stuff, you know how that go, and like Goodwill, they may not have that whenever you go, but that's where I got it from. I just wanted to show you guys. I got this water pitcher from Big Lots as well. I also got these bins from Target as well, along with this foam board. I think it's a little uneven. Typically I guess you could hot glue, like you would hot glue the seams, but like I said before, I don't have my hot glue gun, so I'm just working with what I got. And if anything happens, you know, I can always start over, because this is foam board and it's very cheap, and it's a rental product, so you don't have to worry about like getting boards and cutting using a cut machine. I just use a regular box blade to cut this. I mean, it's gonna look cute, guys. When I put it all together, in my mind, I know that's what it's gonna look, but we'll see if it turns out how I want it to turn out. Let's take a look. So in this bin, it's just going to have like miscellaneous stuff, like these party bags I recycle. Basically I just keep them, especially if they're nice. I just reuse them because, I mean, why throw them away? And then I have like a Halloween hat and like some placements. It's gonna be miscellaneous, and it's gonna go at the top as well. Alright, so this picture is going to go at the top as well. Sorry if it's like yellowish in here. It's dark out, and then I have only this light in here as a source of lighting. But this is going at the top, in the middle between the two. So it's looking really good in here. I'm gonna just speed this up, and I'm gonna show you guys the end in just a second. It's loud in our house right now, but just look past that. I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing right now. I moved the washer and dryer apart a little bit so I could put this little basket in here, and it's gonna hold all the extra pods, anything that's liquidy, and like, you know, like baby stuff, and then like fabric softener. And then I'm gonna put these sheets in here as well. Anything that I have that's not gonna fit in our the baskets, I want to have it open and accessible. I don't want it to be in the baskets because my daughters help me do laundry, and so this is just an easy way for them to keep that going. Yeah, so just wanted to stop and pause for a second. Supporting our channel today, and if you like these types of DIY rental friendly videos, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell to be notified anytime we post new videos, and until next time, bye.